Hello and welcome to Bargain Beast Reviews.
Today we are reviewing a bodyboard which we bought from the Decathlon. The bodyboard we bought is from the brand Olaian and is called the Bodyboard 500. We bought this bodyboard on sale when it was 45 euros and now it is 70 euros. Unfortunately, the color of the bodyboard you see in this video is no longer available on the website. When buying this bodyboard, the size of the bodyboard is not predetermined. Based on your length, you can choose a bodyboard size that fits you best. Because I'm relatively tall, I bought the biggest size, which is 111 cm tall and 56 cm wide, which makes it bigger than the usual foam bodyboards you often see children use. The bodyboard is mostly made out of EPO. EPO is a very strong foam which is known for its excellent shock absorption, chemical resistance and floatability, which makes this bodyboard very durable and not easily damaged when wiping out. This characteristic distinguishes this bodyboard from the bodyboards that are often used by kids. You usually see these at supermarkets. These bodyboards often break easily and typically don't last very long, unlike the Bodyboard 500 of course. The EPO also doesn't affect the weight of the bodyboard. When holding it, it still feels lightweight and is easy to carry around.
When looking at the bodyboard up close, you can see that it has arm channels to lay your arms on. These make it possible to position and rest your arms while bodyboarding.
The bodyboard also comes with a strong leash that you can put around your upper arm. This will prevent you from losing your bodyboard. The leash is very strong and has often helped me with easily retrieving my board. Now, in order to demonstrate the performance of this board, we will show you a few clips of us riding the waves with the Bodyboard 500. Before the demonstration starts, we want to give you a quick disclaimer. We are no professionals and we just do this for fun, so anyways, enjoy. Now, before we get to the ending of this video, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe if you want to see more affordable product reviews. Also, write in the comments what you would like to see in our next review. In this final segment of the video, I want to quickly discuss my final thoughts on this bodyboard from Olaian. Is it a buy or not? I think that the Bodyboard 500 is a good buy, especially when it's on sale. So we recommend you wait for a sale because 70 euros for the bodyboard is a bit pricey, especially if you're a beginner like us. This bodyboard is strong, durable and also comes with a strong leash. It is very light and easy to carry, which is why we give this bodyboard an 8 out of 10. So if you're looking for a good bodyboard to have some fun with, riding the waves, look no further. This is the bodyboard for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.